Hey fellas, this is Craig with CR Locksmith, and I wanted to do a small series of videos regarding locksmith. And the first one I wanted to do is for the people that are thinking about getting into locksmithing and they have no connection in the industry. And their big question is, how do I get started? And I think I might have a few answers for you. The one of the things that a lot of people do is they turn to the internet and they see these online correspondence course. One of them is the the Foley bell saw course, and I just looked it up and I seen that it was for 900 bucks. You can become a professional locksmith. What a great price! Get a key machine, get all that experience, go as you like at your own pace. I mean, it's awesome, right? Great. And when you get all done, look at here. You get one of these guys right here. You get a diploma. You're a professional locksmith. I mean, that's all you need, right? Wrong. You know what you could do with that 900 bucks? You know the best way to invest that $900 is not to do that online course. Go find a, I guess I would say a locksmith that seems to be pretty fair and seems to be pretty knowledgeable, and give them the 900 bucks and say, hey, can I ride around with you for a month? I guarantee you will have learned more in that month than you ever will with that course. So that's the first thing, is don't look for that as a good resource. It's not. It's not. Uh, Basically, what happens is that locksmith is that type of trade that you just don't start out making any money. Uh, so you're going to have to make some sacrifices. You're going to have to uh, be able to get by until you get more established in the industry. If you're working for somebody, it might be at the point that until you can go out and they can maybe have you do calls by yourself, and then I'm sure they're gonna pay you pretty decent. So it's a little bit of a of a patient and getting by situation, but I tell you, it's very rewarding. Not only is it fun working with locks, the people you meet, helping them out, it's a big thing of gratification that you feel. It's awesome. It's just a great industry, and I recommend it for anybody that has an interest in it. What I'm noticing, and I'm from a smaller community, is that so many of what we call the old time locksmith are getting to retire and they're getting too old, and there isn't that young blood replacing them, and so there's a void, and it needs to get addressed. Locks are changing. Automotive is becoming high tech. It's exciting. It is expensive to get in and do all of that. The automotive. You can do safe work, commercial, residential, but you can go at your own pace and you can invest as you become bigger and you can start taking on more. But again, this introductory video is just about the stepping stone, and that is the highly recommend you seeking out a locksmith company or a locksmith and trying to get your foot in the door with them. That is the best way. And I think if they see the dedication, if they see something in you that shows them, that you have that character within you that you want to learn and you're going to be loyal, odds are there's going to be a spot for you because locksmith industry, like I said, uh, they are lacking technicians out there, and they need good people. So that is my advice for you. I'm going to do some more videos. I'm going to do a video about my locksmith van and some other things, but also there are some great resources online. I was looking the other day. Mr. Locksmith has a great series. Watch him; he's awesome. There's a gentleman named Wayne, and he does some neat videos as well. Uh, Lock picking. A lot of people talk about that. It is something, a skill that you're going to need to have. I mean, it's one part of locksmithing, but again, there's a lot about lock picking online. So you can definitely find some resources on that. So that's just a little bit. I hope this helps anybody that's kind of thinking about it. I think it's an awesome trade. It's something that you're not going to start off making a lot of money, but I think the end results is it's it's going to be a trade that you can make a living and that you uh, will find enjoyable. It's working with yourself, working with your hands, uh, meeting and working with other people. Very awesome. And the one thing you're going to say, when people say is, you know, can you do this if you're not really mechanically inclined? Well, let me tell you something. People that are mechanically inclined, it comes so much easier to them. Okay? But I am a living proof that you do not have to be super mechanically inclined. You have to be dedicated. You can't give up, but you will persevere if you stay with it. And again, I'm a good example. If I can do it, you can do it. And I think it's a great trade. And I hope this video helps. I hope you shoot out for more resources online and make that big step. So, all right, thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day.